khili nang chatra khupchoi khuchak nasgamonai.
This Kokborok song was sung by none other than the legendary Assamese singer Zubeen Garg as a gift to Tripura. It was part of the album Hamzagai No, which is regarded as one of the most evergreen Kokborok album, featuring prominent Bollywood singers, and this song stands out as its most beloved track. But sadly, on Friday, 19 September, we lost one of the brightest stars of the Northeast following a scuba diving session in Singapore. He did not just rule Assam. His magical voice crossed boundaries, leaving mark in Bollywood, echoing in Tripura, and inspiring the entire Northeast. His songs were not just melodies, they were emotion, memories, and lifeline of millions. And this song, Kwaikili, remains with the people of Tripura as a heartfelt remembrance of him.
And carry on, 'cause I know I don't belong here in heaven.